Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get active badge Discord. So first you just have to open and create your own server right here. So tap create server, and then for this time for community, and then enter your name, for example tutorial. Actually everything is up to you, but for this tutorial I'm going to name my server as tutorial 101 and then create. So this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do is you have to tap the name or your server's name, tap this arrow facing down, go to settings, and then here you have to scroll down till you see enable community. Tap this one. So to enable community, you just have to click this get started, and you just have to simply allow everything here. So tap get started, click these two boxes, and then after that click next right here. Now read the following and then click next. You can also make some changes if you want, but for me, I just have to click next. And then after that, okay, click this I agree. And then after that, tap this next here. So next tab. Now you open your Discord on your browser. So you have to go to developers right here. So to do that, you just have to copy this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do here is you have to select this new application. Tap this one here. And then after you tap this new application, you have to enter the name of your server, for example, tutorial 101, and then click create. Wait as it is processing. And then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down or you have to click bot. And then after you tap bot right here, you have to go to privilege and you have to toggle this on. Okay, toggle this and then save changes. You have to save everything here. And then you have to look for your token. So you have to look for your token and you need to reset this token right here. So let me do some adjustment. Okay, so let me enter my password again for authentication. Okay, and then after that, you need to copy this token right here and then go to bot ghost. Click this create a bot right here. And then after that, authorize bot goes to have access to your server. Okay, click authorize right here. And then after that, you have to paste the token that you have copied earlier from Discord developer. Click this create bot right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then you have to click this active badge. Okay, active developer badge, and then click enable. And then tap this save. Now tap invite here. Tap this one. And then you have to select the server, tutorial 101, and then authorize, and then that's it. So you have to verify that you're 100% human. And then after that, you need to, or you will be directed to your Discord server. So all you have to do is to type slash and then click this active right here. And then you have to wait for 24 hours to see the result. So that's the way and how to get a badge or active developer badge on Discord. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.